Can you hear that? It sounds like the future. Hey guys, welcome back to another Thank Truckist Friday. And this one is definitely different because we've got a fully electric Renault. Thank Truckist Friday.
Live action.
Cut. Check this out, fully electric Renault T Range E-Tech. It's the future. It is the future. We are very, very lucky. We've got one of the first one of these for a customer in the UK. I say one, there's actually a batch of them. And we are doing loads to enhance these alongside Renault. Obviously, as you can imagine, being very new technology and very new vehicles, we are making sure that we work very closely with Renault's engineering team to get this one right. But I'm going to run you down the list of what we're doing to these trucks, and then we'll go off into the workshop and you'll see a load of stuff happening, and we'll come back and we'll give you the full tour, the whole process thing that we normally do. But just before we start, I do want to say a big thanks to Renault Trucks UK, the engineering team there, the sales team there, the customer aftercare team, marketing, the lot, because this is going to be one big group effort. And we're very fortunate to be involved in that. This thing started months ago, before these vehicles were even nuts and bolts on a shelf. And now we finally have a few of them here, and I can't wait to get started on it. So Renault, thanks. Cheers for the opportunity on it. Okay, what are we going to do? Well, we're adding some extra windows. We're doing a quarter panel, we're doing a door window, and we're doing a rear panel. We've done a little bit of a feature on some of those windows, but obviously you've never seen it on an E-Tech, so we're going to get that done on these. We are adding full TreadSafe Catwalk, again completely new subframe and underframe design on that one. Being electric, the chassis is pretty different, mainly missing fuel tanks, believe it or not. So you're going to see the process of that, brand new, going on. We're working very closely with We're working very closely with Nexus, try and say that 3 times fast, on a Suzy Boom setup as well for this particular customer. For those of you who don't know what a Suzy Boom is, carry on watching this video because I will explain it later. What else are we doing on it? We are putting mirror guards on it, I believe, MirrorShield, sorry. There's some reverse alarms going on. There's some other things which I can't remember, I should have revised for this video, but plus, trust me, there is so much going on these vehicles. So yeah. I can't wait for you to see it all come together, and we're going to do a tour in just a few minutes time, which you will see. I would like to just say though, how cool do these things look? I mean, we were just chatting, Millie and Ruby are here. You can never see them because they hide behind the camera on my video. Slate me on their videos, never come on my videos, would like to add. You're giving me my limelight. Yeah, fair enough. Anyway, what size wheels has this got? Millie says they're round. It's fair, you know, so. Yeah, we were just saying it looks really like Transformer-y and that kind of thing, really modern. Obviously, the headlights are not overly new like they had those on the T Range Evolution, but just the way they've detailed the grille. We love the blue, the electric blue with that matte metallic on the wheel trims. That's really cool. Carries on up into the cab on the grab handle. There's a little bit of detailing on the dash. You're probably seeing some B-roll of that while I'm talking, to be perfectly honest with you. But anyway, cool looking truck. Let's see if we can make it even better and even safer for this fleet. Let's get on with it. We're doing an IAM air kit. Also, forgot about that one. That's quite major. Sorry. And here it is in all its glory, finished, right ready for the fleet with a full specification on. We've got our IAM air management kit on the roof there. We'll start at the top because we always start at the top, work down. That is a high volume air kit. That spoiler actually is down nearly at its lowest position at the minute. This particular operator pulls big double deck trailers, but obviously they've got the low roof sleeper cab there, so we need a big amount of air kit there just to improve that airflow up and around the trailer, hopefully increase the range of this EV for them, and overall just minimize that carbon impact even further. Obviously zero tailpipe emissions, so that's fine. Yeah, the IAM kit, so we do it in two different variants as well. This is a full air kit where we've done the collars on the back and we've done the bit on the top of the roof, but we also offer these with the top section that's just available to suit the factory uprights, which is obviously quite important at the minute. Obviously there's a lot of vecto conversations going on within manufacturers, so it can be that the factory air kit can still come, or the top section can just be deleted, and we can then put our high volume kit on the top there just to further help on those CO2 scores. Again, not really EV related, but in the future for other ICE vehicles, that is an option. We've got MirrorShield on the mirrors. I'm sure you've already noticed those. We've done a few videos on those. Super tough professional mirror protection. Got a Kevlar membrane. It's in a multi-layered composite material there. And these things are super strong. Like, we've impact tested them to 70 miles an hour. No broken mirror, no broken mirror covers. Excellent, basically. Also, you will see there's some additional glazing on the side of this vehicle, windows basically. We've done our lower door window there. That is really important for vision and looking into that blind spot. Our door window there still allows the passenger door window to go up and down, which is a very nice feature. We also have the quarter panel window as well. Again, when drivers are manoeuvring, looking back over the shoulder. I was with someone the other day from a major fleet, and apparently their drivers in central London love these cabs with these additional windows. Just the extra vision just to see what's around you when you're in a tight city street is like just second to none. So this particular fleet, hopefully the drivers will be impressed with that. There is a rear window in the back of this one as well. I think at the beginning of this video I said that we were doing it. They're actually factory. We do a rear window kit for these vehicles, but this one is actually factory. But it just fully creates that surround of just vision for the driver, which is excellent. Moving down to the back, we've got our TreadSafe Catwalk, and there's also a Suzy Boom on the back there. So what we'll do is we'll just reposition this camera, and then I'll give you a show of what that is all about.
Yeah, that should be fine.
So yeah, this is our famous TreadSafe Catwalk. I say famous, it's famous on this channel at the very least. Reverse punch tread, super safe. So if you do happen to trip over it, you shouldn't be cutting yourself. But it does give you some serious grip on the bottom of your shoes, which is excellent. TreadSafe obviously comes with our decals as standard. We have the blind spot sticker on the blind side, and then obviously a do not enter where there isn't any step access. This particular one, obviously this vehicle being an EV, we've done this one in 3 sections. It still has its own subframe underneath, which is all in one piece. But there's 3 sections here, each of which can easily be removed just by taking a couple of bolts out. Then gives access to these batteries, the drivetrain batteries, should the dealer need to service anything or anything like that, or if something goes wrong. We've integrated a sunken grab handle just as a third point of contact. We're seeing that is very popular now. A lot of fleets are specifying this, and it's something that we're pretty much rolling out as standard unless anyone's asking for it to be deleted. I think it's a great extra just point of contact just to get yourself up there safely, and especially when things are slippery or steps are slippery and that kind of thing. We also have the Nexus Suzy Boom. Some of you may be aware of Nexus. Nexus are very good and very specialist in Suzy Boom, Suzy managements, A-frames. They also do, they're part of, well, Adasis are now part of them. They do battery guards and power management. We work very closely with Nexus, and certainly our engineers on this particular project really had to work closely together, because when you'll see some B-roll, we've had to integrate this Suzy Boom within the catwalk, and we've had to cut the catwalk out around it, just to give the operator exactly what they wanted to do with the sliding fifth wheel as well. So we've really crammed as much on here on this chassis as we can for the operator. So yeah, Nexus, if you are watching, thanks ever so much for your help on that one. We appreciate it. The reason with these booms, if you're not sure how they work, they obviously articulate with the trailer, and then you have a near side ground access stowage plate as well. So essentially you can hook the trailer up without having to get up onto the back of the chassis if the trailer's obviously equipped with the right header rail and everything else. So I think that's a really good safety aspect. This operator, you know, the eagle eyes amongst you might be saying, well, why have we got a full catwalk if you can do it all from the ground? That is true, but they also have trailers as well that don't have all of the equipment on the header rail. So we've got the best of both worlds here, which actually, to be fair, I think when you factor in everything, it all actually looks really great together. So that's awesome. We've also got the back of the IAM air kit here. You'll see a manual adjustment. This one, we obviously do our laser eye system. There's another video on our channel about that. This manual adjustment is for, obviously it's to allow for the operator to adjust it, but usually once these things go into service, they mainly stay on the same height trailer, still have that flexibility to pull something else, but our manual adjustment system is one that you do up, it locks into place and you forget about it until you need to bring it into a workshop or change the height on the trailer. Very simple, can be done very easily by a couple of people, just undoing the knobs, pushing the blade up and doing them back up so it locks into place. So yeah, that's pretty much it on this one. Thanks for watching, I guess. Thanks to Renault Trucks UK for trusting us on this product, and the operator at the end of this as well. You know who you are. Thank you ever so much again. We've been really excited to work on these EVs. Yeah, it's the start of a new journey for logistics in the UK, and we're really chuffed to be right at the start of it. So thanks very much. Please like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Click the bell notification icon so you know when we upload. And if you haven't already, you can win yourself a Renault T Range, not an electric one, but you can win yourself a Renault T Range in our big truck giveaway. Make sure you click here to get yourself entered into that. Thanks.